What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Bury a Friend by Billie Eilish. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song uses 3 different chords. You're starting in standard tuning, capo on your 3rd fret. I will show you how to play the song without a capo. It's just easier, especially for beginners. If you have a capo, it keeps you from doing a lot of bar chords, but if you don't have a capo, I will show you how to play it that way as well. Starting with the E minor chord, going middle finger, 2nd fret A string, ring finger, 2nd fret D string. Then you're going A minor. That's middle finger, 2nd fret D string, ring finger, 2nd fret G string, index finger, 1st fret B string. Then you're going to a B major chord. It's going to be index finger, 2nd fret of your A string. And then you're going to use your ring finger to bar the next 3 strings on the 4th fret. So that's going to be your D, G, and B. Now for the sake of the song, if it's easier for you to do it this way, you can do it this way. Just put your ring finger on the 4th fret on your D string, and then put your pinky finger on the 4th fret on your G string. That's just a standard power chord. It is a B chord. You're not getting the 3rd from the B, but you can, for this song, just use this formation if it's easier. So since there's not really any actual guitar instrumentation in the song, not much, if there is any at all. I don't think I heard any guitar in the song. You can kind of play these chords to the music more rhythmically. The way you'd want to do that is you're going to palm mute these chords. For those of you who don't know, you're taking the fleshy part of your palm, this part here, and you're laying that right on the edge of the bridge, right where it meets the guitar, to give you, and you're going to keep it there. When you strum these strings, it's going to give you that kind of punchy sound. You don't want it too far up here because it'll just deaden the strings, and if you don't touch them enough, they'll still ring out. So kind of play around with it, find that sweet spot where you can still hear the chord. It gives it that nice punch, but it's not rung out and it's not totally dead. Now your rhythm for your palm mutes is going to be a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 for each chord. Starting with your E minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, you're playing that E minor as your 1st chord and it's your 4th chord. So again, I'll do it one more time. I'll do it a little bit slower so you guys can see. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Full speed looks like this. Now you can do that rhythmically to play along with the song. If you want to strum through the chords, that's totally fine too. It's totally up to you how you want to play along to the song. If you want to strum through the chords, a simple strumming pattern you can use is going to be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So again, slowly, that's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if you don't have a capo, you can still play this song. It's going to be a little bit more difficult because essentially your finger becomes the capo. So you're doing a lot of bar chords. Your 1st chord is going to be a G minor. That's, you're barring the entire 1st or 3rd fret with your index finger. Then you're putting that ring finger on the 5th fret on your A string and your pinky finger on the 5th fret on your D string. Next you're going to a C minor, you're gonna keep that entire 3rd fret barred. I kind of move it down to where, because you don't need to play your low E on this, so I kind of start it on my A string, bar that entire fret with my index finger, then you're going ring finger on your 5th fret on your D string, pinky finger on your 5th fret on your G string, and then your middle finger on your 4th fret on your B string. Then your final chord is going to be a D major. You can play that here, or you can play it the traditional way here. That is your index finger on the 2nd fret on your G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, middle finger 2nd fret E string. Again, there's not really any guitar in the song, so you can palm mute through this, you can strum through it. Your palm muting is going to be a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and throughout all the chords. Looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, it looks like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Or if you want to strum through the chords, you can do a simple down, down, up, down, up through all the chords. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys, and make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.